A clogged or dirty air filter can be hard on your engine and your wallet. To perform effectively, your engine needs to maintain the right air-to-fuel mixture. A clogged or dirty air filter will force your engine to work harder to maintain the proper airflow. This can weaken your car's performance, require more gas, and shorten the life of your engine. Replacing your air filter is an easy and effective way to keep your car running at peak performance. You'll save money on gas, avoid costly damage, and ensure that your engine has a long and healthy life.